Working with AZAR is, I mean, it's been great. I reached out, I told them what was going on. They came and said, hey, we'll come and look at it. They came and looked at it and assessed it and took some of the old modules that we had and looked at them and were really communicative. I mean, every email I was getting a response. It was great working with it because I didn't feel like I got put on the back burner. The on-site team was amazing. I mean, they're nice, courteous, very communicative, letting me know what was going on, very professional. They were very knowledgeable. They were able to figure it all out and be able to figure out what parts were going to work and what pieces we needed, and way ahead of time. It's been amazing quality. It's what we needed, and they got exactly what could work for us, and within the abilities that we had. I mean, I think it's great. I'm definitely not going to let them go. They're going to stick around and have to live with me for the rest of their lives. Definitely anybody that I run into that has any sort of LED problem, I'm like, hey, call up AZAR. They know what they're doing.